Proper bid management helps eliminate inflated project costs, quality issues, subpar work, and dissatisfied clients. Streamline your entire bid lifecycle with Kahua's all-in-one bid management application. This tool reduces administrative burden and increases productivity while providing a secure and compliant environment for the evaluation process. Generate and document compliant bid invitations. Provide a bid room for vendors to access drawings, ask questions, and submit bids. Create and share a public link outside of the system. Secure receipt of bid documents. Facilitate evaluation. Easily create commitments from awarded bids. Effortlessly manage award notifications. At quick glance, you can view as many different bids and solicitations as needed. Dive into any solicitation to see all detailed information related to the bids, such as status, how many proposals were submitted, etc. You can also choose whether this needs to be a sealed bid or not. Here you can also add any contraction information including contract type, liquidated damages, or retainage. All important dates related to the bid are also listed. Site visits, question due dates, bid due dates, and anticipated award dates. You can also input any scope related to this bid solicitation, as well as any schedules, site, logistics, plans, or any other attachments that you want to include. A new feature in the Kahua bid management application is the ability to share a public link outside of the system. This link can be posted on your company website or shared via email. When contacts open this link, they'll be able to see current bids, bids that are coming soon, as well as bids that were previously already awarded. This allows users to request information and request the ability to bid on a project. Kahua also allows for you to identify your bid team per proposal. It's important to note that the bid manager will be the one receiving any and all questions from potential bidders on this bid solicitation. The bid form outlines the details of what potential bidders will actually be bidding on when submitting proposals. You can have as many different bid items as needed and can assign them to activity codes. This allows the team to publish the proposal into a purchase order or contract when awarding. You also have the ability to make fields required so that bidders cannot submit a bid without completing specific fields, as well as allowing the ability to submit alternates or substitutions. You also have the ability to include unit pricing or lump sum pricing. Next, I can upload any and all documentation that I want my potential bidders to be aware of when submitting their proposal. These can be documents such as CSI codes or drawings. The Bidders tab is where you can add the bidders who will be receiving the solicitation for this bid. There's also a status field to indicate whether someone has denied the bid or if they will be submitting a proposal. The bid is then sent out via email alerting users that they can now bid on the project. As a vendor in this system, you can access all the bids that you have been invited to submit a proposal for. By clicking any of these bids, you can see all the information that was entered by the owner. Clicking on the bid form, you can enter quantities and dollars related to this bid. You can access all the drawings and specifications and can even submit questions. The questions will be submitted as a task in the system to the appropriate member on the bid team. Owners can see all questions submitted about a proposal. They can choose to either attach or submit responses to all bidders so that everyone has the appropriate response to a question. Once the solicitation has been created and submitted out to potential bidders and received and responded to all questions, the final step is to review the proposals for this solicitation. You can select multiple proposals at once and click Compare. Then the system automatically bid levels all the items for you in the screen. You can highlight any big variances to see who might be way high or way low on their proposal. You can move that proposal over to get them out of view. You can then add in any notes related to the bid and bid level by adding alternates and substitutions. The fields then auto-calculate when you select them. Once you've completed the review, you can export this to a PDF or Excel file. Once the review is complete, you can click on the winning proposal and award the bid. After that, you can process it directly into a purchase order or contract. Once the bid information is in the system, you can also utilize Kahua's analytics dashboards to monitor all the statuses of your bids, solicitations, and awards. Build smarter with Kahua.